If your hips are tighter than these pants, then I have 3 stretching tips I want to share with you. Instead of trying to stretch your inner thighs using a butterfly pose like this, you should try and sit down on some elevation, as this makes it much more suitable for stiff sallies and tight tummies, as it requires less mobility from the hips. Furthermore, if the knees are a bit funky in this fully bent position, all you have to do is separate the legs a little bit and turn this into a bear sit position. This achieves the exact same goal, but it's much more comfortable. If you passively stretch your glutes pretty often like this or like this and you're not really seeing any changes, you should try and see if your body responds better to dynamic stretching, which is where we actively move into a stretch and then actively use our glutes to move ourselves out. This is much more challenging and much more active than the passive stretch, which is quite often what our hips need to see changes. Mobility is not all too different from strength training. We want to be able to make it so challenging so that we have to recover for a few days before our next session. And if your hamstrings are humiliatingly tight, you should try and strengthen the hip flexors on the opposite side. When you contract the shortened muscle opposite to the stretch, it has an almost immediate relaxation effect, allowing you to go deeper because your body knows that it has the ability to pull itself into that stretch.